Two places that I love visiting regularly are Starbucks and Crossword. Starbucks outlet near my home provides a wide range of food and beverages to choose from. Also, Wi-Fi, relaxing music, a cozy atmosphere and a comfortable furniture makes my each visit a unique Starbucks experience. This unique experience had made me and my friend loyal customer of Starbucks. My visit to Crossword are not just to get books at discounted price. I get opportunity to read few pages of books at my pace before buying it. An opportunity to attend book launch and celebrity book signing event. Crossword also offers wide varieties of toys, games, gifts and music to choose from. In both the above mentioned cases, apart from buying the core product, which is coffee or book, I enjoyed overall shopping experience which made me frequently visit these shops. In this case, the value of core product or service, which is coffee or book, is increased because of overall customer experience offered with it. This business model is called experiential selling business model. This unique customer experience led to higher customer demand and commensurate increase in prices charged. Let's explore some example of experiential selling business model. Posh experience centers let customer explore car model and associate positive emotion and fosters affection before purchase decision is made. Red Bull has associated itself with extreme sports like Formula 1, motocross, windsurfing, snowboarding. Red Bull customers are predominantly young males. This combination of Red Bull, energy drink and sports creates a whole experience associated with Red Bull lifestyle and not simply the product or its functional value for Red Bull customer. This enables Red Bull to charge higher price for its product. Product displayed on Pinterest are form of experiential selling. The popularity of product which is based on visual appeal is voted on by the community. A post on Pinterest is often surrounded by similar posts of same category which fosters unique discovery appeal to the Pinterest user. Today, retailers are no longer selling product. They are in tug of war to win the heart of customers. Experiential selling presents a major step towards achieving that. You can differentiate yourself from your competitor and forge a direct bond with your customers by providing a holistic experience. Friends, share your views and comment section below. Where have you noticed application of experiential selling business model or any variant of this business pattern? Looking forward to your views. Two places that I love visiting regularly are Starbucks and Cross.